Welcome back to viperrspit, and I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be discussing MicroStrategy, ticker symbol MSTR. So let's get straight into it. So guys, if you haven't seen already, Bitcoin has been on a downtrend for the past few days now. So that is now 3, or let's say 4 daily red candles. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 daily red candles for Bitcoin, and it looks like it is going to fill this wick here at around 78k. So what does this mean for MicroStrategy? So essentially, for MicroStrategy, we are likely to see a sell-off market open tomorrow. We are likely to lose this 280 level due to this if Bitcoin doesn't fix up in the next few hours, which is very, very unlikely. So for Bitcoin, essentially what we want to see is for it to completely fill this wick. That's essentially what we want to see, for it to completely fill this wick at $78,216. And if you can see here, guys, we have got some resting support that Bitcoin does need to take out. So essentially what I do want to see now is for us to come into this level here at around 76 to 73k and hold that level here. So essentially we want to come here, reclaim the 78k level and take off again. And I do believe should we do that, it should confirm a bottom for Bitcoin for the next few months. That is a level I do believe should hold. And of course, if you do go down to the 70k level, that should also hold. But as long as we reclaim this level at 76k, then 78k pretty quickly, I do believe we should see all-time highs for Bitcoin in the next few months to come. And that is if we do get that strong reclaim. Of course, if it continues to chop below this level here, then we will just continue lower. That is not something that we do want to see at this moment. The weekly trend shows some support at these levels that I am mentioning right now. So if you do look here, guys, on the weekly, we can see here that this weekly trend goes all the way down to around 76k. So should we hold that level at 76k, Bitcoin should be fine. Even if we do get one weekly close below it, as long as we don't get more than 2 weekly closes below that level, we should be fine. But the idea is for it to reclaim it as quickly as possible. We don't want to spend too much time below this 75k level. If we go to 70k, fine, but we want to get above that 76k level, 78k level fairly quickly, and then we can continue upwards. So what does this mean for MicroStrategy? So in terms of MicroStrategy, as I've mentioned to you many times, we do have that weekly support as well at around $230. I do expect us to sell off quite heavily tomorrow. So for MicroStrategy, we're looking at this 250 level here to hold next. However, guys, if we do come back into this 230 level and Bitcoin is at 75, 76k and is looking like it's going to reclaim those levels at 76k and 78k, then I do believe MicroStrategy is a great buy should it come down and hold this 230 level here, because we can see here from the chart that it's been holding up a lot better than Bitcoin itself. And we've got to remember, guys, MicroStrategy is the largest institutional holder of Bitcoin, so this price action is going to be heavily influenced by Bitcoin. But we've also got to remember that it also has its own levels as opposed to Bitcoin. And as you can see here, guys, it held this level very nicely on Friday. What we want to see if it comes down into this 230 level is for it to hold here, come back above, and then we can target these levels here. So that is something that I am looking out for in the next few days. And also, guys, if you've been following me for a while, you'll know that I called this 230 level a long time ago. I did mention to you guys for a hot minute that under $350 MicroStrategy was going to dump, and was likely going to dump into this 280 level here, then down to this 230 level here. So if you did listen and play it that way, congratulations. If you did take some profit as well at the 320 level, congratulations, because that's also a level that I mentioned was going to prove strong resistance. So that was a nice 35% move right there, even a 38% move at the highs of around 320. So this was a region that I did say would be good to trim if you're in calls, especially because that will prove to be a major resistance. And unless we flip that level at 320 and flip 350, we are not going to see $500. However, I do believe if Bitcoin can put in a bottom sometime this week or next week or in the next 3 weeks, we should be fine. As long as MicroStrategy doesn't bleed out too much, we should be fine. Of course, guys, as I mentioned many times, above 76k, we are still in a bull market. So as I mentioned many times, we need to close below this level at 75, 76k on 2 or more weeks. Unless we do that, we are not in a bear market or a consolidation or chop market, which a lot of people do believe we're in at the moment. I do believe this is healthy market action. Of course, it's not ideal for altcoins. A lot of altcoins are getting slaughtered. But for Bitcoin itself, this is healthy price action and it's just resetting, and it's also giving you cheaper prices to buy at. So there's nothing to complain about right there. But guys, unless we lose that level here, I do believe this is still a very, very healthy chart to go by. And I don't have any concerns at all. And I do believe it should provide a nice discount for MicroStrategy. I'll be walking through this with you guys every step of the way and giving you major updates like I am now where I do see fit. So let's see, guys, if you can get that final push into that 76 to 75k level and see if you can bounce quickly from there, which should confirm a bottom for Bitcoin for the next few months to come. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, if you can like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for the latest buying opportunities and market updates. And also, if you haven't already, do join the Discord where I do give out plays every single day. So I'll catch you all in the next video.